Good afternoon, students. Myself, Vikram Kulkarni, working in Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde, Mahavidyalaya Srigonda, as a junior college teacher in mathematics. We take 4 lectures on topic function. Now we take 5th lecture on function. On function. Now our topic is value of the function. Value of the function. Then what is the value of the function? F of a is the value of the function. Value of the function f of x at x is equal to a. X is equal to a. F of a is the value of the function f of x at x is equal to a. Here the function is f of x. By replacing x is equal to a, we get the value of the function at point A. At point A. It is called value of the function. It is called value of the function. Now we take one example. Evaluate f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 4 at x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 2t. Minus 2t. We have to find the value of function at x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 2t. Okay. Now we have f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 4. First, we can find the value of the function at x is equal to 7. Therefore, at x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Therefore, a is equal to 7. Therefore, f of 7 is equal to 2 into function is f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 4. If we have to find the value of the function at a, then x is replaced by a, and here a is equal to 7. Therefore, replace x by 7. 2 into 7 square minus 3 into 7 plus 4 plus 4. 2. 7 square is 49 minus 7 3s are 21 plus 4. 49 twice we get 98 minus 21 plus 4. The remaining operation we get 8 minus 1 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 4 we get 81. We get 81. Therefore, f of 7 is equal to 81. Is equal to 81. It's correct. Okay. Now we have to find next value at x is equal to minus 2t. At x is equal to minus 2t. Okay. Therefore, f of minus 2t is equal to, replace x by minus 2t. Therefore, 2 into minus 2t square minus 3 into minus 2t plus 4. Square of minus 2t is 4 into t square, square of 2 and t, and minus sign having square is positive. Here minus sign gets cancelled. 3 into 2, 6t plus 4. And lastly, multiply 2 with this quantity, we get 8t square plus 6t plus 4. It is f of minus 2t. Hence, value of the function at minus 2t is 8t square plus 6t plus 4. It is correct. Okay. Hence, the value of the function at any point can be found by replacing the variable by this value, by given value. Okay. Now we take some other example. There is some difference in next example. It is, if f of m is equal to 3m square minus m, and f of m is equal to 4, then find m. We have given f of m is equal to 3m square minus m, and f of m is equal to 4. F of m is equal to 4, then find m. Okay. We have f of m is equal to 3m square minus m, and f of m is 4. F of m is a 4. Okay. Therefore, by comparing we get 3m square minus m is equal to 4, because f of m by functionally it is 3m square minus m, and given f of m value is 4, therefore LHS are equal, then RHS also equal, therefore 3m square minus m is equal to 4. By shifting this 4 towards LHS, it is minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we factorize it, therefore we need 3 into minus 4 minus 12 as a multiplication and minus 1 as addition. We need two factors. With multiplication minus 12 and addition is minus 1, that is minus 4 and 3. Multiplication is minus 12 and addition is minus 1. Therefore, 3m square minus 4m plus 3m minus 4 is equal to 0. By factorization, we take m as a common. Therefore, here 3m minus 4 plus 1 is common. 3m minus 4 is equal to 0. By taking 3m minus 4 as a common, we get m plus 1 is equal to 0. Lastly, 3m minus 1 is equal to 0, or m plus 1 is equal to 0. We get m is equal to 1 upon 3, and or m is equal to minus 1. Okay, that means the value of m can be found by using the value of the function. Value of m can be found by using the value of function. Okay. Next example, there is a formation of function. There is a formation of function as an activity. As a activity. From the equation, from the equation 4x plus 7y is equal to 1, express first y as a function of x, y as a function of x, b x as a function of y, x as a function of y. Okay. Now, given equation is 4x plus 7y is equal to 1. 4x plus 7y is equal to 1. As we take first activity, y as a function of x, therefore shift other variable towards RHS side, therefore 7y is equal to, this 4x is positive here, on RHS we get 1 minus 4x, then y is equal to 1 minus 4x upon 7. This is the value of y, and value of act as a function, therefore y is equal to 1 minus 4x upon 7 is equal to, it is a function of x, b, we have to convert the function as a x, therefore shift other variable other than x towards RHS, that is 1 minus 7y, and divide by 4, we get 1 minus 7y upon 4, it is a function of y. Therefore, first activity is y as a function of x. Here we get y as a function of x, and the second activity x as a function of y, Okay. That means each equation can be converted as a function. Okay. Here we studied about the value of the function and some examples depend upon this topic. In next lecture we study about some basic functions. Okay, thank you.